So excited to be hitting the road again this spring. I'm going to be working out of my travel van, and I wanted to show you a little bit of the interior. This is the van in the working mode. There's 2 seats in the front, and there's a side bench that actually turns into a bed. There's a full kitchen featuring a sink, an oven, a large refrigerator. And as you go back, there's a full mirror on the left that's going to be used for color analysis. A full bathroom that has a shower and a toilet. And then this is it in working mode or dining mode. Now this is the studio that will be set up to do at least 1, maybe 2 color analysis in the van when I need to. And now we're going to take a glimpse at it in the sleeping mode. The chairs swivel around so that there's more space for hanging out. The mirror is now pushed over, and there's a closet that can hold all kinds of storage. There's lots of storage containers in the kitchen. And now the bed has been set up. That's really, really comfy and cozy in the back. Lots and lots of space to work or play or travel or do color analysis. I'll be traveling to Florida, West Coast in March and the East Coast in April. If you'd like to schedule a color analysis, email me, Kerry@indigotones.com.